Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to do this look for you guys that I have created. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video if you want to see more makeup tutorials. And if you want to see how I got this fabulous look, then don't forget to stay tuned.
I wanna dance.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna jump right into it with my eyebrows already filled, and if you have not seen my eyebrow tutorial, check that out. I'm going to use my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use, it's a light burgundy transition shade, and we're gonna start with that being the first color, and we're gonna work our way up with a less dense brush. The brush is a little bit bigger, but it's not as fluffy as your other brushes that you will use for your top colors going up towards your eyebrow. So we're going to use this, and this brush is by Enjoy. Now I'm going to use this purple color with the same brush and go ahead and make that color a little bit more intense. And we're going to go ahead and start blending that in with our windshield wiper method, just back and forth into that burgundy transition color. Then I'm going to go back in with that green color from the James Charles palette and go to the opposite corner of my eye. And I'm going to go ahead and pat that in with the windshield wiper method, but with a little bit of a beading motion just to make it more intense. Got my P. Louise Secret Center palette right now, and I'm going to use that dark navy color. That dark navy color is going to complement that green color from the James Charles palette, trying to make kind of a teal color. And then we're going to go ahead and intensify that as well. So for the top highlighted pink and the highlighted green colors, I am using some neon pigments that I got from Rainbow Art Cosmetics, but you can find some neon pigments from any company, and you can even use the two shades that was in the James Charles palette. I'm cutting my crease right now with the P. Louise base in the color 0, and we're just going to take that all the way around. And if you guys would like a separate tutorial for how I cut my creases, I will go ahead and film that for you guys. Just comment down below. Okay, so now I'm going in with the darkest purple inside of my James Charles palette, the color that I had transitioned with the burgundy color, and then I'm going to put that at the tip of where I have my crease cut at, and I'm also going to blend that with a little bit of the black in the James Charles palette as well. Then I'm going to take this nudish tan and white mixture, and I'm going to mix those two colors together, and I'm going to place that on top of where I cut my crease. I'm going to use a patting motion with a small dense brush. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my J. LaRue white gold pigment, and I'm going to put that on top of the whitish creamish mixture that I made with the two colors from the James Charles palette, and that's going to create a like shimmery glaze on top of the white. So it'll be like You see, like, it's like a fluorescent tint on top. Alright, and I'm back with my lashes and my under eyes complete and my highlight and contour, which is in another video. Like I said before, I do use the James Charles and the lavender spray by Mario. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Mario lavender spray. And honey, I'm a diva, so I have to put on my fan just to make sure that I get my extra dryness before going in with the refresher spray, because I like to have 2 coats, but I want to make sure that my first coat is dry before putting on my second coat. And then after this, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlight from the Glow Kit Anastasia, and then we're gonna go on top of the lip. We're gonna go on both sides of my face and just go over my nose contour. So yeah, so that's pretty much the finished look. My lashes are from my collection, so make sure that you're shopping at www.glambyasia.org. And thank you for watching this beautiful look. I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye.